Now, when we read the sacred scriptures of the Hindus, it's mentioned in the Upanishad. The Upanishads are one of the higher category of sacred scriptures of the Hindus. It's mentioned in Chandogya Upanishad, chapter number 6, section number 2, verse number 1. Ekam Ividityam. God is only one, without a second. It's mentioned in the Svetasvatara Upanishad, chapter number 6, verse number 9. Nachasya kasij janitana chadipa. Of that God, he has got no parents, he has got no Lord. Almighty God has got no mother, no father, no superior. It's mentioned in Svetasvatara Upanishad, chapter number 4, verse number 19. Na tasya pratima asti. Of that God, there is no pratima. Pratima in Sanskrit means an image, an idol, a picture, a photograph, a painting, a sculpture, a statue. Of that God, there is no pratima. Of that God, there is no image, no idol, no picture, no painting, no portrait, no statue, no sculpture. It's clearly mentioned in Svetasvatara Upanishad, chapter number 4, verse number 20, that Almighty God is imageless.